Studio Tropolite presents how to use Tropolite Millet Cake Mix, vanilla and chocolate. Health-conscious customers are asking for better ingredients, and millet is back in demand. Packed with fiber, minerals and easy to digest, millet mixed with whole wheat creates the perfect cake base, soft, hearty and better for the body. Tropolite Millet Cake Mix, available in vanilla and chocolate, lets you bake healthier cakes without compromising on taste. For every kilo of mix, just add 430 grams water and 400 grams of oil. Add water, millet cake mix and oil to a mixing bowl. Blend for a minute on low speed. Scrape the batter from the sides, then mix for 2 minutes on medium until smooth and lump-free. Now pour the batter into your choice of mold: loaf pans, muffin trays or cake tins. Bake at 175 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes, depending on the size of your mold. When it's done, let it cool, then slice, serve or decorate. The texture is moist and soft, the taste is rich, and the millet story, that's the icing on the cake. Tropolite Millet Cake Mix, for the new age baker who wants flavor, softness and a healthier story. Contact your Tropolite distributor today.